We have a 400-page book. He reads 4 pages every 5 minutes. So we need a function rule. My function rule is going to have to be an f of x because it says function rule. So f of x equals 400 minus 4/5 x. Now that's not, technically that's not slope-intercept form, but it didn't tell me to do that, so I just kind of didn't. Now I need to put that in standard form. So I'm going to take my f of x, change it to y equals, and then I've got 400 minus 4/5 x. And what do I want to multiply by? Everything by 5, because in standard form you can't have fractions or decimals. So that gives me 5y equals 2,000 minus 5's cancel 4x. Where would you like the 4 go to put it in standard form? To the other side. So this 4x, I need to add it to the other side. That gives me 4x plus 5y equals 2,000. The 4x was negative on the right, so when I moved it to the left, it became positive. The x-intercept. Now I'm only looking at the standard form equation. The x-intercept, I cover up the y. 4 goes into 2,000 how many times? 500. Now what does that mean? 500 what? 500 minutes. So after 500 minutes, the book is finished. The y-intercept, cover up the x. 5 goes into 2,000. 400. Oh my gosh, I already knew that. It was 400. And that was my starting number of pages. My slope. I can see the slope in the original problem. What is it? Negative 4/5. And that's exactly, that's exactly what you're saying. He's reading 4 pages every 5 minutes. And the reason it's negative is because you're having less pages done.
I did my equation in a different way, so that's it.
That's great. Okay. Is this discrete or continuous? Discrete, because what are you counting? Now, some of you continue to tell me it's continuous because I'm counting pages. And that's not true. Okay. Now, I am going to be making a table right now. You have a calculator so that you can plug the numbers in. What do you want to go up by? How many pages are we going to read each day? What's an easy number? 50? How about 100? 100 is an easy number to use. So 0, how many am I starting with? 400. Let's do 100 pages. So take your calculator and you're typing in 400 minus 4/5 times 100. Now this will be on a regular non-graphing screen. 400 minus 4/5 times 100. Yes, that's 320. Okay, now change the 100 to 200. $240 is right. Oh, look, I don't think I need to keep going. I think I see a pattern. It looks like it's going down by 80. So what's the next one? 160. 400 gives me 80. And like I knew it, 500 should give me 0. So my domain is all of the x values. So I'm going to go 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. No, because it ends. You can't put ... because it ends at 500. Can't go to 600. Now, my y value is going to be, in order, don't forget, don't go 400, 320.
0.
0, 80, 160, 320, uh-oh, 240, 320, 400. Squiggle. Is it linear?
Yep.
Why?
Common difference.
You have common differences for x and y. Direct variation?
No.
No. It doesn't pass through 0, 0. So I'm going to go 400 minus 4/5 x equals 225. So then I need to subtract the 400. That gives me negative 4/5 x equals negative 175. I put it in my calculator and I got negative 175. Multiply both sides by 5. 175 times 5 is negative 875. Divide by
Negative 35.
negative 4. Now, my number of minutes is 218.75. So really, how many minutes? 219. Okay, now we need to graph it. I think I'm going to go by 100s on all of these. And that x is going to be minutes. Yeah, make sure you see where that says days. That's supposed to be minutes. So my x value is 500. My y value is 400. And this is pages. And so I'm done. Yay! You are going to have a whole entire question asking you all those questions. I don't know how many points it is.
Hopefully like 2.